Sports have always been the stage for remarkable displays of human athleticism, where the convergence of passion and precision unfolds in the quest for victory. Yet, amid the cheers of the crowd and the spectacle of the scoreboard, a quiet revolution has been taking place. One propelled not only by physical prowess, but also by the relentless advance of data analytics and artificial intelligence. The infusion of artificial intelligence into sports analysis marks a profound shift in how teams approach training, strategy development, and performance assessment. But how are AI algorithms becoming indispensable tools, furnishing teams with insights and predictions that were once beyond imagination? Join us once again on the World AI News as we explore the transformative impact on AI in the world of sports. Before delving into the depths of the AI revolution, let's consider a striking statistic. The global sports analytics market is anticipated to reach USD $22.13 billion by 2030, exhibiting an impressive compound annual growth rate of 28.7% between 2023 and 2030. This figure alone highlights the escalating importance of data analytics and AI within the sports landscape. It transcends being merely a technological trend. It has grown into an industry with limitless potential. AI's significant role in sports is prominently evident in its capacity to predict player performance through thorough data analysis. By leveraging data and visual inputs, coaches gain valuable insights into their team's strengths and weaknesses on any given day, empowering them to adapt tactics and strategies to exploit their opponent's vulnerabilities. In the past, coaches and analysts faced the arduous task of manually reviving hours of footage to identify patterns and trends. This labor-intensive process often resulted in missed opportunities for improvement. However, AI has revolutionized this practice, enabling real-time analysis and instantaneous feedback. AI algorithms excel at scrutinizing video footage, carefully tracking player movements, and pinpointing key performance indicators. This technology can unveil subtle patterns and nuances that might escape the human eye. For instance, AI can identify an athlete's running gait, body positioning, and reaction times, offering invaluable insights into their technique and overall performance. This heightened level of analysis empowers coaches and athletes to make informed, data-driven decisions and tailor training programs to address specific weaknesses or areas requiring improvement. This holds true across various sports, spanning from football and tennis to handball and swimming. Take, for instance, the application of computer vision in human motion tracking and analysis. In handball, a notable advancement involves the creation of a computer system dedicated to player tracking, a process detailed in a recent study. Cameras collect data, culminating in spatial temporal trajectories for all players. These trajectories offer sports experts invaluable insights into player capabilities and performance. Through a series of experiments utilizing video sequences, researchers aim to identify the optimal method for automated player tracking. The experiments encompass tracking based solely on motion detection, color tracking, and a combination of color and template tracking. The outcome revealed that the combination of color and template tracking, labeled as C, emerged as the most suitable method. This was attributed to its speed and the minimal intervention required for human operators compared to alternative approaches. Meanwhile, in swimming, the application of human pose estimation has become instrumental in assessing swimmers' performance through the utilization of single stationary cameras positioned both above and below the water surface. This innovative approach is poised to supplant the conventional quantitative evaluation method, which previously relied on labor-intensive manual annotations of body parts in each video frame. Looking at the broader sports analytics landscape, the global player tracking market is anticipated to experience a compound annual growth rate of 24.9% over the next 5 years. Teams across elite and minor leagues alike are poised to leverage tracking solutions, providing insights into their players' movements. This not only facilitates more informed tactical decisions, but also sheds light on individual effort levels and identifies specific areas for improvement in both offensive and defensive aspects of performance. Another notable advantage of incorporating AI into sports performance analysis lies in its predictive capabilities. Through the analysis of historical data and patterns, AI algorithms can forecast future performance and outcomes. This information proves invaluable for coaches and teams, empowering them to make strategic decisions and optimize their game plans. For instance, AI can anticipate the success likelihood of a particular play based on past performance data, enabling coaches to make well-informed decisions in real time. Furthermore, AI extends its utility to injury prevention and rehabilitation. By scrutinizing an athlete's movement patterns and biomechanics, AI algorithms can discern potential injury risks and offer recommendations for exercises or modifications to prevent injuries. Additionally, AI can monitor an athlete's rehabilitation progress, delivering real-time feedback and adjusting the program as necessary. This personalized approach to injury prevention and rehabilitation holds the potential to significantly reduce injury risks and enhance overall performance. Personalized training and diet plans. The influence on AI on athletes' training and dietary regimens is profound. Over the years, the landscape of professional sports has witnessed a remarkable transformation in the quality of training and dietary plans. In the 1990s, in Britain, it was not uncommon for footballers to head to the pub after training, enjoy several pints, and grab a kebab on their way home, considered normal practice at the time. However, the integration of artificial intelligence into sports has elevated the personalization of training and diet plans to unprecedented levels. Promising research has already demonstrated the efficacy of AI in weight training. An AI-driven diet plan employs machine learning to tailor distinct plans for individual players based on their specific needs and prevailing circumstances, such as upcoming matches or recovery days. Notably, apps like FoodVisor are at the forefront of this evolution, utilizing deep learning, particularly object recognition, to identify over 1,200 types of food, estimate quantities, and swiftly generate detailed reports on the nutritional breakdown. And this is merely scratching the surface. The surge of AI-assisted fitness apps in the market is a testament to the expanding role of artificial intelligence. Utilizing the computer vision technique known as human pose estimation, algorithms can now be trained to detect human poses in real time. This technological advancement has particularly found its stride in domains like online yoga and Pilates. Through the deployment of key point skeleton models, the technology identifies human joints, offering users real-time guidance on the correct way to perform exercises. Scouting and recruitment. In the modern landscape of sports, teams are taking their scouting and recruitment strategies to the next level by incorporating artificial intelligence into their toolkit. Every on-field action, be it swings in baseball, runs in football, or blocks in basketball, is meticulously tracked, resulting in teams amassing vast volumes of data, often measured in terabytes. The utilization of computer vision in sports is paramount for monitoring players' movements and the orientation of their bodies during gameplay, involving sophisticated object tracking and videos. Essentially, machine learning algorithms leverage this aggregated data to assess players' skills, overall potential, and categorize them based on various criteria. This categorization could include positions like offensive forward in the NHL or point guard in the NBA. Teams also leverage computer vision to identify specific attributes, such as corner-taking abilities in soccer, that contribute to predicting future performance. The insights derived from this data empower teams to make more informed recruitment decisions, ensuring the construction on a successful team and the acquisition of promising players at a reasonable cost. Subsequently, these players can be developed and eventually sold for a substantial profit, exemplified by Brentford's success with striker Ollie Watkins. Acquired for around $2 million, Watkins was later sold to Aston Villa for approximately $35 million, illustrating the efficacy of AI-informed recruitment strategies. Improving sports equipment. AI's impact goes beyond the realm of gameplay and directly influences the equipment employed by athletes, enhancing the performance of their tools. In the domain of golf, Altair's AI-powered solutions are spearheading a revolution in club design. By integrating simulation, machine learning, and data analytics, these solutions optimize the design and performance of golf clubs. AI-driven adjustments take into account crucial factors such as the center of gravity, durability, and spin. The result is a set of clubs precisely tailored to address a diverse spectrum of player needs, ultimately leading to enhanced gameplay and heightened player satisfaction. Revolutionizing media broadcast. For broadcasting networks and streaming platforms, the integration of AI automated production tools is reshaping sports coverage, rendering it more dynamic and engaging. Machine learning algorithms excel at auto-generating video highlights and seamlessly overlaying informative graphics, introducing heightened speed and efficiency to the production of sports media coverage. This not only streamlines the process, but also holds the potential to attract a new and diverse audience. Amazon Web Services, for instance, plays a pivotal role in aiding TV networks like Fox in the auto-generation of highlight packages. This automation significantly reduces the need for extensive human editing work, leading to increased operational efficiency. Recognized brands such as Intel and Liberty Media leverage AI to simplify tasks related to announcing and live translations. Additionally, graphics overlays driven by real-time stats and predictions provide fans with more dynamic, live, in-game insights, enriching their overall viewing experience. Optimizing fan experiences and recruitment. For fans, AI plays a pivotal role in tailoring recommendations for games and players based on their unique interests and past behaviors. It goes beyond mere suggestions, enabling interactive experiences such as chatbots that engage in discussions about the latest sports news and statistics. An illustrative example is FC Barcelona's development of an AI-powered app called Barca Innovation Hub, which serves as a vital assistant for fans. This app delivers personalized news, health insights, and real-time training advice, catering specifically to each individual user. As technology continues to advance, the potential for AI optimization in sports extends across virtually every facet, ranging from drafting predictive fantasy leagues to tailoring personalized workout recommendations. The future might even witness competitions pitting human athletes against AI counterparts, opening up a realm of endless possibilities. We're eager to hear your perspective on the innovative intersections of AI and sports. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing for a continuous stream of mind-blowing content, and ringing that notification bell to ensure you stay up to date with our latest updates. Thanks for tuning in.